Adobe Acrobat Reader, how to save individual pages. So if you want to save individual pages from your PDF file, normally this can be done, but it will require you to actually have a certain catch. Now for this, if I open up the Adobe Acrobat app, I go to a certain PDF file here. Then what I do is I tap on more tools option, and I can go to organize pages, or I can tap the three dots from the top right hand side. Then I can go to pages here. Then when you can see different pages, and if I want to delete a certain page out of these pages, in this case, what I need to do is I need to tap on organize pages. So when I tap on organize pages, the catch over here is that I will need to have the Acrobat Premium version, and when I have the premium version, I'll be able to save those individual pages. So this way you can go ahead and then try out your Adobe Acrobat Premium and save a single page or delete a certain page, depending on what is it that you prefer. And I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.